case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a pivotal 1987 ruling, Nollan v. California Coastal Commission, the Supreme Court of the United States reaffirmed the importance of property rights, insisting that governments cannot require owners to concede those rights without proportionate compensation and a legitimate legal aim. This dramatic showdown emerged out of sunny California when the Nollans, owners of a coveted beachfront property, decided to rebuild their house. Amid the tangle of red tape necessary for this upgrade, the Nollans encountered a unique stumbling block. The California Coastal Commission, a regulatory body with authority over coastal development permits, stipulated that as part of granting the necessary permissions, the Nollans had to allow the public an easement over their property, meant to ease access to surrounding public parks. Predictably, the Nollans didn't take kindly to this imposition. They took their fight to the courts, arguing the enforced easement violated the takings clause of the Fifth Amendment, as well as state regulations, which prevented such conditions without evidential proof that their development constituted an adverse impact on public beach access. At the Supreme Court, the Nollans found sympathetic ears. In a majority decision penned by Justice Scalia, the court ruled against the California Coastal Commission. The commission's requirement of a public easement, the judgment explained, wasn't tied to any specific regulatory purpose. It was simply a power play. Justice Scalia wrote that without sufficient justification or compensation, the Nollans couldn't be compelled to permit an easement across their property. If California wanted public access to the beach via the Nollans' property, it had to buy it, not simply impose regulations forcing the Nollans to provide it. The landowning couple won their day in the courtroom. The Supreme Court squashed the commission's requirement and consequently overturned the judgment of the lower court, restoring legitimacy to the Nollans' claim to their beachside property.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class